3, 2, 1, start. Learned Counsel for the appellant prays for and is permitted to withdraw the application with liberty to approach the authorities. Stop. Application is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn with the aforesaid liberty. Para. This court on 28/4/2021 had issued total 12 directions in a suo motu proceeding in view of grave situation arising out of COVID-19 pandemic. Stop. Pursuant to the directions contained in paragraph 12, certain applications were filed before this court by various authorities and persons which were dealt with and disposed of by this court. Para. On 28/2021, in view of various issues raised by the financial institutions, direction number 10 issued by this court was clarified by restricting its applicability to certain cases alone. Stop. On 10/11/2021, pursuant to the applications filed by certain persons, the directions contained in paragraph numbers 1 and 11 of the order dated 28/4/2021 were also clarified. Para. On 10/11/2021, on the submissions made by the learned amicus curiae as well as the secretary of the High Court Bar Association, the clauses directions number 3, 4, 6, 6, 9, 11 contained in the order dated 28/4/2021 were ordered to be deleted, omitted, while rest of the interim directions as modified from time to time were directed to continue to operate till the next date of hearing. Para. Today, when the matter is taken up, it is submitted by all concerned that owing to a sudden and alarming surge in the number of people who have been tested COVID positive, the situation has again turned grim and extremely unsafe. Stop. Several judges of this court and a huge number of high court staff and a large number of advocates have also been infected with the virus. Stop. Thus, in view of the prevalent situation, the representatives of the High Court Bar Association stressed upon the need to restore the directions issued by this court on previous occasions. Para. Likewise, even the learned amicus curiae has expressed his deep concern as regards the unprecedented spike in the COVID infected cases. Stop. He submits that in the given circumstances, the court may consider in its wisdom to reimpose all or any of the directions previously issued by this court. Para. Having heard the learned amicus curiae as well as the learned additional solicitor general of India, learned advocate general Haryana, learned assistant advocate general Punjab, additional standing counsel Union Territory Chandigarh, and learned counsel for the parties, and looking to the concerns expressed by the Bar Association of the High Court, we propose to restore the interim directions issued by this court on 28/4/2021 as modified from time to time except direction number 8, which is deleted. Stop.